Attach the propeller to the brushless DC motor as recommended by motor propeller manufacturer. Attach the brushless motor to be tested onto the forward motor mount via appropriate bolts, not provided with Dynotis. Secure our vibration dampers, which can withstand high thrust and torque forces, with M6 bolts and nuts. Attach the RPM sensor board onto the forward motor mount using provided M3 hex button head screw that is suitable in length per spacer used. Use provided M3 unthreaded spacer that is suitable in length per brushless motor to be tested. TM3 nut, 1 nut per sensor board. Adjust the distance between the motor and the RPM sensor, 1 mm to 4 mm. Next is the temperature sensor assembly. Adjust the distance between the motor and the temperature sensor, 5 mm to 10 mm. Apply a piece of white tape to the rotating part of your brushless motor. Note, you can determine the tape dimensions based on the surface of your motor. Width of the tape should be bigger than the width of the RPM sensor. Length of the tape should be kept between 10 to 20 mm depending on the size of the brushless DC motor to be tested the tape. Mount the escape to be used onto the mounting bracket as shown and attach with the provided Velcro straps. Mount assembled Dynotis onto concrete, Sigma profile, table, or any surface you desire using 4 EAM6X20 socket head cap screws. Note, any M6 screw with different length can be used according to the mounting method used preferred by the user. Connecting the cable of RPM1 sensor. Connecting the cable of RPM2 sensor. Connecting the cable of temperature sensor. Connecting the escape signal cable, escape power cable and the ESC motor connectors. Plugging in our USB Type-C data transfer cable. The power battery should not be connected before opening the interface software. The interface software must be opened, the connection established, and then the power battery should be connected.